Hi friends! I cannot believe what 4 days of rain has done to this dam. I filmed, I think maybe 2 days ago, after 2 days of rain, and this girl was getting pretty empty, where she's nearly down to those reeds that we put in, which she was ages away from that. And on the other side, I mean, look how close. Well, that was meters. So it's crazy how quick this is happening. And I have to say, I'm really, really glad I got it on film, because I just don't think you'd believe how quick this is filling up. Today is the 9th of June 23. And May was the driest May, I think, in history, to be honest, that, history that we've been taking records, which is not that long in Australia, I think 100 years maybe. Which that's, 100 years in climate really isn't much at all. But isn't it amazing just how quick, it turns from this dry, barren, craziness to this lush green paradise. It was a little bit sunny this morning, not like hot sunny, but a little shiny. And then this afternoon it rained for about 2.5 hours, really decent rain too. I flooded in a couple of places, my driveway and stuff. And I just cannot believe, how quick it has come green and lush. There is so many kangaroos out. George and Charlie have, annoyed them everywhere. But, so they must be loving this weather too. I just thought I'd give you a quick update on this dam, because I just cannot believe how quick it is filling up, and I just cannot wait to compare these videos. Have a beautiful day. Bye.